Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome back to Explorify. Today, we're about to dive into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: solo travel. There's something so incredibly liberating and empowering about setting off on your own adventure, and trust me, the USA is jam-packed with incredible destinations just begging to be explored solo. I'm talking iconic cities, stunning national parks, hidden gems you've never even heard of. We're about to uncover the best of the best for all you lone wolves out there. So buckle up, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to be inspired because we're about to embark on an epic journey across the USA. First up, we're hitting the ground running in the city that never sleeps, New York City. Now I know what you might be thinking. Solo in a city that massive? Trust me on this one. New York is a whirlwind of energy, and experiencing it on your own terms is something truly special. Picture this. You, a bagel the size of your head, and a yellow cab whizzing you through Times Square, the lights reflecting off your sunglasses. But New York is more than just bright lights and Broadway. Spend an afternoon getting lost in the endless galleries of the Met, and then wander through Central Park or catch a show in a tiny, dimly lit jazz club. One of the best things about going solo in New York? No need to compromise. You set the pace, you choose the adventure. Hop on the subway and find yourself in a completely different neighborhood, each with its own distinct personality. And hey, grab a slice of pizza while you're at it. You deserve it. Next, we're heading west to the Golden City, San Francisco, where the fog rolls in like a dream and the vibes are as chill as the Pacific breeze. Now, San Francisco is a city best explored on foot. Start your day with a heart-pumping walk across the Golden Gate Bridge, that iconic orange giant standing proudly against the backdrop of the bay. Trust me, the views from the top are unreal. Afterward, catch a ferry to the infamous Alcatraz Island. Explore the eerie prison cells, learn about its notorious inmates, and soak in the history of this one-of-a-kind place. Back on the mainland, lose yourself in the charming, colorful streets of Haight-Ashbury, the birthplace of the hippie counterculture. San Francisco is a feast for the senses. Grab some fresh sourdough from a local bakery, explore the vibrant murals of Mission District, or catch a Giants game at Oracle Park. From the Golden Gate to the Space Needle, our next stop takes us to the Emerald City, Seattle. This city is a haven for coffee lovers, outdoor enthusiasts, and solo explorers alike. Start your day with a steaming cup of joe at the original Starbucks in Pike Place Market. Seriously, the smell alone is worth the visit. Then, head up to the top of the Space Needle for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the Puget Sound, and the majestic Mount Rainier looming in the distance. Seattle is a city that embraces its waterfront. Take a stroll along the piers, watch the ferries come and go, or hop on a harbor cruise for a different perspective of the city. Don't forget to explore Seattle's quirky side with a visit to the Museum of Pop Culture, or a wander through the whimsical Fremont Troll. Get ready to two-step your way through the live music capital of the world, because we're heading to Austin, Texas. Austin is a city that pulsates with creativity, and experiencing it solo means marching to the beat of your own drum, literally. First things first, grab some grub from one of the city's legendary food trucks. From mouth-watering barbecue to gourmet tacos, your taste buds are in for a treat. Then, catch a live show at one of Austin's countless music venues. You'll find everything from blues to rock to indie to country, so there's something for every music lover. When you need a break from the city buzz, head to Zilker Park, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of Austin. Rent a kayak and paddle along Lady Bird Lake, soak up the sun on the grassy lawns, or catch a free concert at the Zilker Hillside Theater. Next up, we're trading in the Texas heat for the fresh mountain air of Denver, Colorado. Denver is a city that seamlessly blends urban excitement with outdoor adventure, making it a perfect solo trip destination. First, get your bearings with a stroll through downtown Denver. Check out the historic Larimer Square, admire the architecture of the state capitol, or explore the trendy shops and restaurants of the Reno Art District. But let's be real, the real magic of Denver lies beyond the city limits. Rent a car and head west into the Rocky Mountains, hike to a sparkling alpine lake, challenge yourself with a rock climbing adventure, or simply soak in the breathtaking views. Back in the city, treat yourself to a craft beer at one of Denver's many award-winning breweries. Get ready to soak up some sun and embrace the vibrant energy of Miami, Florida. Miami is a melting pot of cultures, a feast for the senses, and a solo traveler's paradise. First things first, hit the beach. Whether you're looking to relax on the white sands of South Beach, catch some waves in Miami Beach, or escape the crowds in Key Biscayne, Miami's beaches are iconic for a reason. Once you've had your fill of vitamin C, explore the Art Deco architecture of South Beach. Wander along Ocean Drive, admire the pastel-colored buildings, and snap some Instagram-worthy photos. Miami's nightlife is legendary. Grab a mojito at a rooftop bar, dance the night away in a salsa club, or catch a live music performance in Little Havana. Let the good times roll because we're heading to New Orleans, a city that knows how to celebrate life like no other. New Orleans is a feast for the senses, a melting pot of cultures, and a solo traveler's dream. Start your journey in the heart of it all, the French Quarter. Wander through the vibrant streets, admire the wrought iron balconies, and listen to the sounds of jazz music spilling out from every doorway. Be sure to indulge in some of the city's legendary cuisine. Grab a beignet at Café du Monde, savor a plate of jambalaya, or treat yourself to a traditional New Orleans po' boy. Take a stroll through Jackson Square, where artists display their work and street performers captivate the crowds. Hop on a streetcar and explore the Garden District, known for its elegant mansions and lush gardens. Next, we're heading to the Pacific Northwest to explore Portland, Oregon, a city that's as quirky as it is cool. Portland is a haven for coffee lovers, bookworms, and anyone who appreciates a laid-back vibe. Start your day with a cup of coffee at one of Portland's many independent coffee shops. Portland takes its coffee seriously, so be prepared for a truly exceptional brew. Then, get lost in the aisles of Powell's City of Books, a book lover's paradise spanning an entire city block. Portland is a city best explored on foot. Wander through the Pearl District, known for its art galleries and boutiques, or explore the trendy shops and restaurants of the Alberta Arts District. Escape the city buzz with a visit to the International Rose Test Garden, home to over 10,000 rose bushes, or explore the lush trails of Forest Park. Get ready to roll the dice and embrace the dazzling lights of Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas is a city that needs no introduction. It's a playground for adults, a spectacle for the senses, and a surprisingly great destination for solo travelers. Of course, no trip to Vegas is complete without experiencing the Strip. Marvel at the dancing fountains of the Bellagio, catch a show at Caesar's Palace, or try your luck at the roulette wheel. But Vegas is more than just casinos and nightclubs. Escape the city buzz with a day trip to Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, just a short drive from the Strip. Hike through the stunning red rock formations, take in the panoramic views, or simply enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. Back in the city, treat yourself to a show. From Cirque du Soleil to magic shows to concerts by A-list performers, there's always something to see in Vegas. So there you have it, fellow explorers, 9 incredible US destinations that are perfect for embarking on a solo adventure. From the bustling streets of New York City to the laid-back vibes of Portland, the USA has something to offer every type of traveler. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these destinations is calling your name? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Explorify for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!